Unit of electrical energy. So what is the unit of electrical energy? We know that power developed, whether it is in a resistor or anything, power is work done by time. Power is the work done by time. And we know that work done is equal to power into time. And what is power? Power is said to be 1 watt. The unit of power is watt. Unit of work done is joule. Unit of time is second. If 1 joule of work is done in 1 second, then the power delivered is 1 watt. Suppose you have a bulb. If that bulb, suppose we mostly have this incandescent bulbs, right? In that incandescent bulbs, if this bulb emits energy of, let us say, 100 joules of energy in 1 second, then we know that 1 watt is 1 joule per second, it is equal to 100 watt. When you have a bulb of 100 watt power that delivers 1 joule of, that emits 1 joule of energy, or in other words here, that consumes 100 joules of energy in 1 second. That's what the meaning of 100 watt. So what is the unit of work? So the work here is power into time. The power is measured in watts, time is measured in seconds, the work is measured in joules. So 1 joule is 1 watt power delivered in 1 second. If 1 watt of power delivered in 1 second, then the amount of energy delivered or consumed is equal to 1 joule. But the unit of electrical energy, that is 1 unit of electrical energy. 1 unit of electrical energy is 1000 watts of power delivered in 3600 seconds. Or I'll tell you like this, 1000 watts of power delivered in 1 hour. If you consume 1000 watts in 1 hour, then that is said to be 1000 watt can be written as 1 kilowatt, and this is 1 hour. So this is 1 kilowatt hour. Remember that this is small k, this is capital W, this is small h. So 1 kilowatt hour is said to be 1 unit of electrical energy. So what is it equal to? And until the end you watch the video, we are going to discuss about the money that we are supposed to pay if we consume such amount of power. Okay, then we will add it up. So 1 kilowatt hour is actually equal to 1000 watts in 1 hour, but 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So I'll tell you here is 1000 watt. So it is 1000 watt into 3600 seconds. 1000 into 3600 is 3.6 into 10 power 6. This is watt into second. We know that watt into second is 1 joule, then this could be written as joule. So 1 kilowatt hour or 1 unit of electrical energy, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 megajoule. If you consume 3.6 megajoule, you have used up 1 unit of electrical energy. Okay, how does that appear in problems? How does that appear in problems? Let us say that there is an electric heater of rating 1500 watts. If it is used for half an hour daily, or you can say that even 30 minutes daily for 10 days. If 1 unit of electrical energy is 2 rupees, how much are we supposed to pay? So the best way to do it is, first you have got to express that in kilowatt and express this in hours. Then per day usage in terms of electrical energy. So per day usage of energy equal to 1005, power into time is energy. Power is 1500 watt, time is 30 minutes. 30 minutes. How are we supposed to do this one? 1.5 kilowatt into 30 minutes is half hours. So this one is actually 0.75 kilowatt hour. So per day you are using up 0.75 kilowatt hour, or you can say that 0.75 electrical units, 0.75 units. Then per day 0.75 units means for 10 days. For 10 days, number of units consumed, is equal to 0.75 into 10 units. Then it is 7.5 units. So the total units consumed for 10 days, it is 0.75 units. So for each unit you have got to pay 2 rupees. Then total money to be paid, or total money to be paid to the electricity department is, for each unit 2 rupees, 7.5 units into 2 rupees per unit. So you are going to write like this: 2 rupees per unit. So unit and unit will be cancelled. 2 into 7.5, 15 rupees. So the total amount to be paid is 15 rupees.